We wanted to make video meetings easier, better, and more valuable. Most existing cameras are too hard to use, too expensive, or simply can't fit everyone in the frame. That's why we're introducing Huddly GO, a new kind of collaboration camera. Huddly GO is powerful on the inside, but still small enough to fit in your pocket. It gives you an outstanding video experience straight out of the box, with no fuss. An ultra-wide 150-degree angle lens and 16-megapixel sensor give you the big picture in fine detail. No matter where you set up your meeting or how many people you are talking with, Huddly GO adapts to your surroundings, letting you communicate and express yourself naturally, all in crisp, crystal-clear video. Huddly GO brings you closer together. And when you're together, you do great work. But Huddly GO is more than a breathtaking camera. It will remain at the cutting edge for years to come, because your Huddly GO will be automatically updated with each new release of our state-of-the-art software. We've redefined the camera. Now it's your time to redefine your work.